key factor, and yet majority of trainers, majority of the traders won't give importance to risk management. But let us see how important is risk management. So if you ask me, risk management is heart of trading. Just like our heart, if it stops beating, we are out of our life. So in the same way, once risk management stops in your trading, your capital drains sooner and you'll be out of the market within no time. So if you want to survive in the market for long, then you have to follow a strict, stringent risk management. Okay, so many people ignore this fact, but that's why they are out of the market within no time. But keep this as your important factor and ensure you follow risk management. Now let us see how important risk management in discretionary trading and mechanical trading. In discretionary trading, 20% importance goes to the strategy that you're trading with, because that is where you decide where to enter, where to exit. And 55% importance goes to risk management, and rest of the 25% goes to emotions. Emotions also play a big part, more than the strategy, because that is emotions. Your emotion decides your success. If you are confident, if you if you take each and every trade that you get, and if you are trading without any fear or greed, then your trading success increases, right? When it comes to mechanical trading is a trading concept where you don't use your emotions, where you don't use your analysis. You don't know what will happen, you just blindly trade as per the strategy. Okay, so in that case, what happens is 20% importance goes to strategy. Reason being, that is where you just say, okay, where to enter, where to exit. But rest of the 80% importance goes to risk management and position sizing. Because whenever you lose, you should lose less, and whenever you should make profit, whenever you are making profit, you should make big profit, right? So that is the important factor that we have to remember. That's why 80% of importance in mechanical trading goes to risk management. Reduce your risk, maximize your position sizing when it is going in your favor, and reap as much benefits as possible. So let us discuss a new concept, that is risk capital. Okay, this concept we give to all our students. Okay, and that is called risk capital. Split your investment into two equal halves. One half will be trading capital, other half will be risk capital. Okay, and maximum risk per trade that you should take should be 2% of your risk capital. Okay, if your investment is 1 lakh, for example, then 50,000 will be your trading capital, another 50,000 will be your risk capital. Now you can keep a standard 2% of risk capital, that is 1,000 maximum risk per trade. Okay, so even if your risk capital is reducing, your trading capital is not affected, so you can continue to trade. Eventually, if you see overall over the entire investment, you will be risking only 1% per trade. Though this is a slow way of making money, because you might think, okay, with 2%, even with best of the best 1:3 trading strategy, you can make only 6% per trade. But trust me, if you are losing less, if you are losing money slowly, you can stay in the market for long, and once in a while, whenever the market is very volatile, like in the recent months, then the profits that you make will be humongous. Risk limits. Okay, we earlier discussed about maximum risk per trade. Okay, in this slide we discuss about maximum risk per trade, per day, and per month. So maximum risk should be 2% of risk capital. maximum risk per day should be 6% of the risk capital. That is, in earlier example, 1000 was our risk per trade. Then 3000 will be our risk per day. In a day, if you are losing 3000, then you should stop trading for that day. Okay. Maximum risk per month should be 15%. 15% of your risk capital. In earlier example, it would be 7,500, right? So in a month, if you're losing 7,500 of your risk capital, you should stop trading for entire month. This way, you can rest of the days of the month, you can look back, you can check what went wrong, what you should correct. If you'll be having time to improve your knowledge, you can attend some training and all those stuff. If possible, if you can, then you can add that 15% in the next month to your risk capital from your savings or something, to and then you can continue trading. So we are coming up with the 2 new courses. So these 2 courses would be risk management and position sizing, and how to develop a strategy for a trading goal. The first course, that is risk management and position sizing, will help you in understanding different types of risk management for different styles of trading. Different styles, I mean, some people are positional traders, some people are long trend followers, some people are scalpers, and some people trade on a particular strategy on all time frames. So you should use different types of risk management for different styles of trading. Okay, that you will learn in this course. And position sizing to increase your profits in trending trade. Okay, how to increase your use position sizing again for different styles of trading, that we will discuss in this course. And the second course, how to develop a strategy for a trading goal. Many people go for a training and they are not satisfied with the course, and they go ahead and try to find another course. So if you have a particular goal, trading goal, and then you should be in a position to develop your own strategy, right? And when you are developing your own strategy, that should have a defined goal and defined trading plan, and you should have your strategy and rules to achieve the goal, and you should have fixed risk management, and you should know when to pyramid, how much to increase your position sizing to increase your profits. So you'll learn how to develop your own strategy for your trading goal.